Welcome to the MRO Infra's Series 8 video presentation on cold welding compounds. MRO 8000 Ti putty is a high-performance alloy reinforced two-part epoxy putty. It is high-temperature and chemical resistant, high compression strength, non-rusting, machinable and also protects from bimetallic corrosion. Available in 1 kg SKU. Mixing ratio by weight, 4:1. Application of MRO 8000 Ti putty includes glass line reactor and SS reactor repair. MRO 8001S putty is a two-part NBSP, repair composite for metal repair and resurfacing based on solvent-free epoxy resin reinforced with steel alloy. This repair material will not corrode and resists a wide range of chemicals. It is easy to mix and apply without the need of specialized tools and can be machined using conventional tools. Available in 1 kg SKU. Mixing ratio by weight, 4:1. Application of MRO 8001S putty includes in situ flange repair, bearing housings, repair of damaged shafts. It can be also used for a worn pipeline, bonding wear pad to the pipeline. Water escaping through a crack in the tank has been repaired with a plate bonded on the storage tank with MRO 8001S as shown in this slide. MRO 8011E putty is fast-curing steel-filled two-part epoxy putty for dependable emergency repairs and quick maintenance work. It is non-rusting, machinable, has an excellent chemical resistance, and high compression strength. MRO 8012 UW putty it can be used to repair damp environments. It is unaffected by chlorinated salt water. Bonds with metal, concrete, wood surfaces in wet and damp environments. Application includes leakage of welding joints in storage tank which can be repaired by bonding plate with MRO 8012. MRO 8024 pipe wrap fiberglass repair bandage tape is activated by dipping in water and can be simply wrapped around leaking or damaged area. It is fast, permanent, and instant emergency repair. MRO 8051S stick is a fast-setting high-performance steel-reinforced concentric epoxy stick which enables permanent repairs to anything made of steel, wood, glass, masonry, and many plastics. Workable for 3 to 4 minutes and sets in 10 minutes. Available in SKU of 114 grams and has a case pack quantity of 12 numbers. Our next offering is kits. Different leak repair kits are available like MRO 6004 Transformer Maintenance Kit, which is successfully used for arresting transformer oil leakage online. We sincerely appreciate your valuable time. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay up to date with our videos. For any queries or support please contact us on the below mentioned details. We believe it is not a solution, if it is not affordable, and we are glad to inform you that all MRO Infra products are proudly made in India, and thus making our product range value for money. Thank you.